Hey folks, struggling to pick the perfect note-taking app? Today we're diving into Logseq, Tana, and Notion, three heavyweights for knowledge management. I'll break down each one, compare them, and help you decide which fits your needs. Let's go. First up, we have Logseq. It's a free open-source local-first outliner for organizing your thoughts. Think non-linear notes with a daily journal focus. It uses markdown files, supports PDF annotations, and has a graph view for linking ideas. Perfect for privacy-conscious users who love offline work and deep customization. Next, we have Tana. This cloud-based app blends outlining with Notion-like databases. Its super tags let you create flexible schemas for notes, tasks, or projects. Tana's AI integration automates repetitive tasks, and its node-based structure is great for dynamic, interconnected workflows. It's in early access with a freemium tier planned. Finally, we have Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, Kanban boards, and calendars. It's cloud-based, intuitive, and ideal for teams or solo users who want a polished visual interface. Notion's block-based system makes restructuring info a breeze with robust sharing and integrations. So, how do they stack up? Logseq shines for solo users who prioritize privacy, offline access, and free tools. Its outline is unmatched, but it's less polished for collaboration. Tana's strength is its flexibility. Its super tags and AI make it a dream for complex, evolving projects, though it's not fully offline yet. Notion is the go-to for teams or anyone needing a beautiful, versatile workspace, but it can feel overwhelming for simple note-taking. Here's a quick chart. Logseq is best for privacy, outlining, and free use. Tana is best for dynamic workflows, AI automation, while it's weak in offline access. Notion is best for teams, visual organization, and while it's weak in complex outlining. Choose Logseq for free, private second brain, Tana for cutting-edge flexibility, or Notion for collaboration and polish. That's it, guys. Pick based on your workflow. Solo or team, simple or complex. Drop your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more productivity tips. See ya.